I'm very glad to have this talk about Huawei Cloud AI technique for intelligent industry practice. So it's a common sense now that AI technologies has been a general purpose technology in our nowadays that can change our life and world economy. And it has huge effects on various industries, including education, finance, and manufacturing, and so on. So in the past few years, Huawei Cloud has been collected with collaborated with customers and partners on more than 200 AI practice in 8 industries. And through these projects, I would like to share you some discoveries in this talk. So firstly, it's very difficult to integrate the industry knowledge with AI actually. And the key check is to identify the right problem. And we often say that identifying a challenge problem is more rewarding than having 10 algorithm engineers. So for our AI practice, in the first step, we will define a scenario. That is, we will select a key check to combine industry knowledge and AIs. That and determine the boundaries of AI implementation. We need to keep limit the company's expectation of AI at the beginning, and then after select the check, then we can communicate with the industry experts and integrate their knowledge into our AI implementations. So through their knowledge, we can improve the development efficiency of our algorithms, and also their wisdom will help us to verify that whether the AI is working in the right direction. And after that, the business value of the AI application will gradually present. And after that, more scenarios will be added, and the data requirement will be also increased. And as more data is enrolled in and involved, then the whole AI solutions will gradually be increased. And that's how we put the AI in industry. And so in general, the AI can facilitate industries in 3 aspects. The first one is it can improve the efficiency. So on the right side, you can see that the first picture is the copyrighted image, and the second picture is the infringed image. From these 2 images, you can easily distinguish which one is the fake one. But how about the case that you need to select the infringed image from tens of thousands of image dataset? So how would you do that? So this is what we do with the Tuku China, our partner, and we developed our image search service in our in Huawei Cloud and collaborated with our partners. So with this service, now people can upload their images and search and to see if their image is copyrighted or infringed. And second, the AI can transfer the expert's experience to more people. In this example, for example, we collaborated with the KingMed Diagnostics. So we are working on the intelligent analysis of pathology slides. We all know that doctors are very valuable for many countries, and it takes a long time to train and become a good experienced pathologist. In this project, we worked with KingMed Diagnostics in the severe cancer detection, and our AI service can detect more than 80% of the of the negative pathology slides and quickly screen the patients. So after this, only the pathologist the pathologists themselves can only need to analyze 10% or 10% to 2%, 20% pathology images, and this can help them save much time and focus on the important cases. So in this case, we help improve the pathologist efficiency about 5 to 10 times. And lastly, AI can actually do more than human does. So because it takes a long time to train an expert in one specific domain, and it takes more time to train an expert in multiple domains. But we only need collect some data and train a multi-domain expert AI expert. For example, in the transportation case, we can make use of the traffic, make use of the videos of the traffic, and we can make use of the road maps information, and we can also make use of the weather information from the broadcast, and combining these multimodal information to help people make good decisions. And this is an overview of the AI portfolio for Huawei Cloud. So overall, we have provided 60 services and with 170 functions. So on the base, we provide essential platform service to develop AI service, and above we provide general APIs that is easy to that is ready to use. And on top of that, we also we provide pre-integrated solution that combines different APIs and make complex solutions for different domains. So, for example, we also we provide the OCR APIs for different people, and we want to actually OCR for short for optical character recognition has been one of the most widely used techniques. It can recognize the characters in an image and return structured information to people, and greatly help improve the efficiency of people. So here are some examples of OCR service. And with the OCR service, it has many benefits. First of all, it can work it works in the whole day, so it can replace employees even in the night, and it provides the high accuracy, so it can mostly improve the efficiency of our employees, and it also can reduce the cost because we need less people in the job. Yeah, and we also provide video AI service. As you can see, we have on the basis we provide the video editing, video classification, video analysis, video search, and video recommendation. And based on these techniques, we can build on complicated service such as the video content tagging, video content moderation, and so on. We also provide excellent natural language processing techniques, and the core technology is the knowledge graph, language generation, language comprehensive. And based on this, we can develop the conversation assistant for different language. And we can also develop intelligent Q&A robots to help do the quick answer and quick answer answer the questions of customers. And just now I have shown some APIs, and we also provide the essential platform for developing AI service, and this is called Model Arts. And Model Arts is designed for different AI developers, including the experienced data scientists and data engineering, and also the AI beginners. It provides a visualized end-to-end management of data labeling, data processing, algorithm training, model management, and one-click service deployment. And we have integrated many toolbox, easy to use, and improve the developers' efficiency. For example, in the data preprocessing, we provide the data automatic data labeling toolbox, so that it can help improve the efficiency of data labeling. And also, our Model Arts has been designed for large-scale, complicated enterprise level AI research and development. It has customized. It has designed to manage tens of thousands of nodes, and in terms of the number of tasks, training tasks. So our Model Arts can manage. Currently, it can manage 100,000 concurrent users, and also our Model Arts also designed for large scale distributed training. So by optimizing the networking architecture and communication framework, it improves the communication efficiency of distributed tasks, and therefore it can enable the enterprise level complicated distributed training task. And on the right side, we show that in the MLOPER ranking competition, our Model Arts with 512 chips in this track, we won the first with 93 seconds for the task. And on top of the essential platform Model Arts, and we also have an easy to use, ready to use platform called Model Arts Pro. This is in this platform, we integrated our experience, because we have many projects in the last few years, and we integrated this experience into this platform. So users don't need to take a lot of time or need a lot of experience to do the similar scenarios. So with this platform, customer can develop OCR APIs in 3 minutes, and it largely improved the efficiency of development. So this is how we done. We integrated our experience to the. Firstly, we actually identify some common scenarios and integrated our experience with like pre-trained model, and also the training configuration into this AI suite. So users can only need to provide a small number of data and select. Firstly, what the user need to do is, firstly, he select a similar scenario to his real application, and then provide a small number of data and choose the workflow and train with the UI guided platform, and then he will get the models and the service. And as more data is enrolled, he will get a better results. So that is, he will our customer with Model Arts Pro, our customers will be able to gradually improve his own AI service. And this is an example of our Model Arts Pro OCR suite. So in the picture, as you can see, in our real life, we have many kinds of invoice. That is, you need to recognize some information, and this is an example of Chinese train tickets. So what if you need to develop a Chinese train tickets OCR service? You need to recognize the destination station, the source station, and you need the structured data. So what you need to do is, firstly, you can provide a template as the first one, as the first figure, and you select the anchoring area, which means that in this area, the characters is the same in all train tickets, and this will be acting as an anchor for later for the
И
later.
таким образом это будет сложно.
And you select the recognition area you want in the template. For example, the source detection, the source station, and the destination and the time. And after that, you can release the template and try with an sample. Like, for example, you put another image and call the service, then it will retain the structured data as you need. So this service is very easy to use, and you can develop your own OCR service in 3 minutes if you are experienced with this. And on top of the basic platform and general AI APIs, we also provide the Cloud Edge service signature because in our project experience, we have found that many enterprises want their service to deploy it in their local device, and we provide this solution. Firstly, we can have the models and the APIs trained on the cloud, and after that, we can download the pre-trained model or APIs through our Edge device and our Edge Manager console to the user's local machines. And in this case, the customers can have the APIs in their local machines. Yeah. And yeah, so this is the end of my presentation. So we hope that our Huawei Cloud hope to develop the inclusive AI, and we are open to collaborate with industry partners and customers. Thank you.